Good morning, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ben, this is Kayla, and if you are new here, we try to travel as many places in the world as we can in our limited time off because we both still work full-time jobs. Today we have a few interesting things going on. We have a 2-3 hours to burn here in Chalten, and then we have a 3.5 hour transfer to Calafate, where we are going to hopefully be able to visit a glacier museum, and then we're going to check into our hotel and try to do some laundry. So if you're interested in like everyday life, travel vlogs, this is a perfect vlog for you, but hopefully you'll enjoy this vlog and you'll be able to follow along with us. Also, if our faces seem incredibly red, it's not because we're just like red in real life, it's because this room is very hot, because we are on the second to top floor of this hotel.
We're also slightly sunburned and windburned.
From the hike yesterday. So go back and watch those videos if you're interested in hiking. Let's get packed.
So the first hike we did is this orange line that kind of went over to Rio Fitzroy and all the way up to Lomateria, and then we went back all the way down. And then the next day we actually started way up here and followed that pink line over to the eye there, and then switched to the purple line, went to that red dot, and then instead of going up to Lagoon de las Tres, we kept going and went all the way back down to El Chalten. So, and today we are down here near the blue. The pumas look very angry, but we did not see any, so.
Love how they say, don't run. They may mistake you as their prey. If you're with children, keep them close to you or pick them up and never let them alone. The puma will get them.
It's kind of wild that if we had come one day later or one day earlier, we probably wouldn't have been able to see Fitzroy. I mean, you could see today it's already obscured by clouds and it looks like it's going to rain, but for the last 2 days it was absolutely perfect for us to see Fitzroy. So we are incredibly lucky to have come on the days that we did.
Okay, so unfortunately the weather is deteriorating really quickly here. We actually completely lost the mountains like in the distance, so it means we probably have about 30 minutes before it starts pouring down rain here. So I think we're gonna try to head back to the hotel because we really don't want to be trapped out on the street if it's pouring down rain. And unfortunately it's only 11 o'clock, so most of the lunch places are not open yet. So not too much we can do other than go back to the hotel for now and try to wait out some of this rain and wind. I'm not sure we're gonna get much luck out of it, but we were gonna try to go to the Cholcateria later, but I'm not sure we're gonna be able to if the wind and rain stays this bad. All right, we'll see you back at the hotel.
It would be not great trekking today. I mean, it's raining, the clouds are really low, and the wind is really high, so it would not be fun, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna go get some sandwiches. We're really trying to find something for lunch. It's really hard today. There's not too much to do in this town when you're not trekking. So we're just gonna go back to the sandwich place, the I'll put the name.
Lomateria.
Whatever. Put the name. We went to it the other day. we're just gonna pick up sandwiches to go because it is getting closer to our time to leave. We're just gonna try to make it easy, go back to the hotel, wait for our transfer, and then go to a museum later.
To be honest, I think this is kind of the reality of Patagonia. I think the weather is so unpredictable here. You don't really know what you're going to get. I mean, because we had 2 days of like beautiful weather. Like the first day there was almost no wind. It's very quiet, like no rain, no nothing. And then the second day it was like a little bit more windy. And then like today it's just been stormy, rainy, you know, all sorts of like really high winds. So not the day to be trekking. We got really lucky when we were here.
That's a heck of a vehicle. I don't know what it is, but
It doesn't light up, so I wasn't sure it was working.
oh, I don't think this room was like
Cleaned. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so we checked into our room at the hotel. I actually don't know what the name of this hotel is. What is it? Costanake is the hotel name. But we checked in. The first room we got was actually not cleaned yet, so they gave us another room, no problem. And I think this one's actually an upgrade, so that's kind of cool. But we have a big king-size bed, and then we also have a little like also rollaway kind of bed. I think this is like a family room. I think it's a family room. So if Ben gets mad at me tonight, I can just sleep on the kiddie bed. Nice big bathroom. I mean, it's a really big room, so that's nice. Now we are meeting our tour guide in about 30 minutes downstairs to go over our stuff for tomorrow. And then I think we're gonna try to find a laundry service. There's some laundry services around here. They all get really bad reviews, so we might still take our chances with them because we don't really have any other option. But so we're gonna try to do that. If we can do that quick enough, we might be able to take a taxi and still go to the Glacier Museum. We also will have to get dinner at some point. Yeah, the Glacier Museum might get cut, unfortunately. But I feel like if it does get cut, it's okay, just because we are gonna be spending all day on a glacier tomorrow with a group. So we will learn quite a bit about the glaciers as well tomorrow. So, but we'll try to show you our laundry experience. Maybe it'll help you if you come down here, but we'll figure it out.
We just kind of did a little bit of administrative work. We took our clothes to get them washed. Interestingly enough here, we could not find any places that would allow us to wash our own clothes, and the hotel did not have anything that allowed us to wash our own clothes, even though I swear I looked it up online and I thought it said that it did. Anyways, the front desk recommended that we go right around the corner, and they said that they would take our little away bags. Essentially, they said it would be $10 a bag. So we gave them $20 and they're gonna wash our clothes, and we're gonna pick them up tomorrow after we do our glacier hike. In order to make up for not going to the Glacier Museum, we're sorry, we were busy and we had to get a little bit of video editing done.
And we're exhausted from the hike in the last 2 days.
Yeah, that's a little bit tight. But we're gonna go get some ice cream here. So we'll bring you along. We also kind of skipped dinner because the food that we got at Lomateria for lunch was very, very good, and they gave us so much that it was enough for lunch and dinner, at least for us. So now we're gonna go get some ice cream.
that's what I want. Look at how fun that thing would be. How's your...
I didn't
It's
try
not really
it yet.
ice cream.
I didn't try it yet. It's like a sorbet, which is great because I'm dairy free. And I got the kiwi and the lemon. I've never had a kiwi ice cream before, which is really interesting. So very good though. It's very sweet. Let me see if I can get the lemon next. The lemon is the way to go. That's so good.
I knew that that was a good
Yeah,
choice.
it was.
And of course, I got my Calafate berry, which is incredible. And then I got creme de glacier, which is like glacier creams. I don't really know. I think it's like a birthday cake.
Oh, is it? That's perfect
Which
for
is
you.
perfect. That is so good. I love the Calafate berry. It's such like a strong flavor, but it's also like it ends really light. It's so good. I could almost, maybe like a blackberry. That's probably the closest thing that I could describe it as.
So ice cream in Argentina is good?
Very good. Yeah. Okay. So come in Argentina ice cream. You have to do it. I'll be honest. Sometimes I wish smell-o-vision was a thing, because if you could smell like all of the like smoked meats and the wood fires burning, like that's what I wish I could capture on the camera and like send over YouTube. See, that's the Calafate berry.
Is it?
Yeah, that's the stuff. It's jam.
Calafate. Oh, that's why it says the ingredients is calafate and sugar. That's all.
Yeah. So you want, Kayla? A little garden guanaco? Alright, Kayla, what'd you get?
We got some calafate berry jam, like a little bottle for us to share with our family. And then we got Ben's dad a little mate cup with a filter straw because he really likes teas and stuff. So we'll get him some mate to go with it for his birthday coming up, and it'll be past his birthday by the time this video comes out, so that's fine. And yeah, that's it. So we're gonna go back to the hotel now and chill. I think that's it for this video. I hope you like this content. It was kind of a little bit of a travel day. If you do like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. We have another good adventure coming up next week, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you on the next one.